modern car doesn't ask who you are. It asks for a signal. Give it the right signal and it starts. It doesn't care whose hand the signal came from. That's the gap. Here's how the M9000 anti-theft vehicle immobilizer closes that gap, and what happens if you decide to get one. Car theft used to be physical. Some broken glass, a punched ignition, noise. That's not necessarily the case anymore. Thieves gain access to the car's electronics, and it can happen without a scratch on the vehicle. This is why the two things most people rely on don't stop it. An alarm makes noise. It tells the neighbors something is happening. It doesn't stop the car from moving. A tracker tells you where the car went. That's recovery. It happens after you've already lost the vehicle. Neither one stops the theft. And factory alarms? They're just one defeatable layer of security. The M9000 is an engine immobilizer. Its only job is to stop your car from being driven. It wires into your car's data network, the system your vehicle's computers use to talk to each other. It holds the start until your PIN is entered, using buttons your car already has. No PIN, no start. It arms itself. Turn the car off, open your door, done. Nothing to press, nothing to remember. And it's hidden. The install spot is picked for your specific vehicle. No box on the dash, no blinking light telling anyone where to look. So how do you get one? Start by contacting an M9000 authorized installer near you. Just head to the installer locator on our site, find the shop closest to you, and call them. They'll confirm whether your vehicle is compatible, and they'll quote you on the install. Going direct to the installer is the fastest way through. Or if you have any questions, you can complete the form on our website and we'll help you through the process. You can't buy an M9000 off a shelf and fit it yourself. It's only sold to certified installers, and only they can install it. That's deliberate. A hidden vehicle-specific install is the whole point. Done wrong, it isn't hidden and it isn't reliable. Pricing is set by the installation facility based on your vehicle and the labor involved, so it varies. Your PIN gets programmed at install using the existing vehicle buttons. You pick it like a bank card. After that, driving looks like this. Get in, enter your PIN, drive, shut it off, and it rearms on its own. There's a service and valet mode for when the car goes to a shop, or when someone else needs to drive it. There's also an app, but it's an optional way to disarm. The PIN is what starts the car. You never need your phone to drive it. That's it. There's no subscription and no monthly fee. An alarm makes noise. A tracker finds the car later. The M9000 keeps your vehicle in the driveway. It stops theft before it starts. Prevention, not recovery. Find an installer near you at mastergard.com/installer locator.